chance. He's so small.
Look at Scout keeps pushing him with his side. Hoover's not taking any shit. Gotta be quick, Hoover. Hoover's like, I just want to lay in my damn bed. Leave me alone.
Players, and we talked about the start that plays in the Jamaican League, particularly Holmes.
What was that? He just wants to play with himself. No, honestly, he really is. He really is. He thinks it's a toy. When he does that bounce back, he thinks it's a toy.
Oh, look at it. Lie down, Hoover. Lie down.
Yeah.
He won't let me.
He can't. Dummy.
Even numbers are down a man. Set pieces.
You guys are so vicious.
Is a hunk of Hoover's hair on the ground? Yes! Aww. Old man's losing fur over this. Did you hear Hoover? He like... Hey!
Get him, Hoover. Pin him.
Eventually you have to get tired. Yeah.
Oh, look.
Will you eventually be friends? Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Not those kind of friends.
Friends with benefits.
Hey, Hoover.
They found a loophole.
They will hump each other, I'm sure. Yeah.
Checking him.
He keeps putting his butt up against him. Look at him.
He's body blocking him. He's got him pinned against him.
He is body blocking.
He's cross-checking him into the wall.
Yeah, see him? Ooh! Good moves! Good moves!